Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald and today we're going to profile a product that we've just discovered. Now, I was really lucky. I've got a friend who lives in America and she was coming over to Scotland and she brought these over for us. And these are called Floral eggs and floral pillows. Now, these are made by Sydicate Sales, and essentially what they are they're a plastic cage. So you're probably thinking, well, what am I going to do with this floral egg? These have been created with the idea of doing wedding bouquets or doing hand ties, and it allows you to place your material through them and give you extra support. So in theory, you're going to use less material. You're not going to necessarily need to use like a foam base. And you're going to be able to create some products. So we're going to have a bit of fun with these and we're going to try and make a hand tie and maybe a wedding bouquet including these, but these will be in other videos. And the floral pillows are basically two pieces that you join together. Now, you don't have to join them together, you could just use them separate, but if you join them together, you get this pillow effect. And the great thing with that is that you've got this difference that really holds up. So if you're just going to use single, it's going to swing about, but having it double, it's giving a lot of support. So how would we use these? Well, essentially you would drop these into a container. So if you can imagine, you're going to use a ceramic container or you're going to use a metal container, but you could use two together. So we're really going to get a lot of support for our materials. And this is going to be really interesting. So different sizes, we've got small size, slightly larger, and larger again. So if we're looking at containers like this, straight away, we can actually give this a little bit of a secure in with some pot tape or some Oasis Fix, and we've got a great way of supporting flowers without having to use any floral foam whatsoever. So even in a container like this, we can use that, or you could actually just use one individually like this. So please keep watching. We're going to do a couple of videos. So we're going to do ones using these, and we're going to do a couple of videos using these as well. So thank you for watching. And if you'd like to keep up to date and watch these videos, then click here to subscribe.